Hi everyone, Terri Pascarelli, MVP Realty. I'm on site today at 1111 Central in downtown Naples, Florida. This is a new up-and-coming condominium development by the Ronto Group, and it has just amazing modern layouts. 2-3-bedroom floor plans are available. Some units have dens, extra half baths, beautiful outdoor terraces and lanais, wraparound lanais included. And the community amenities are something that you need to see. There is a gorgeous resort pool here. It's surrounded by cabanas, hammocks, putting green, fire pits. There's an even large as life-size chess game out on the decking, and there's room for you to entertain or just come outside and relax. The residents here will also enjoy their own private theater, catering kitchen, social rooms, billiards, arcades, and much more. For more information about 1111 Central, call 317-903-9230. Ask for Terri, and let me show you how you can make 1111 Central your dream home in Naples, Florida. See you soon.